Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn to write our first Java program, and we will learn how to print and take inputs from a user. So again, we will go in Explorer and we say create Java project, no build tools, and I am going to create my second project at the same location what I shared in the previous lecture. Select the project location and then I will say my first Java program and press enter, and you will see something like this. Again, go to app.java. So now this is our class. The name is app and the file name is also app.java. There is a public static void main. Why it is static and other parameters of this function we will discuss later. For now, what we want to do is we just want to learn how to take input from the user and print that. So to print something, what we do is we say system.out. I'm going to stop Copilot from giving me suggestions. Okay. So I will say print system.out.print and then double quotes hello world, and this is going to print something on the terminal. So if we run this program, and you will see hello world. So what we are doing, we are printing on the system out, and then we say print, and in double quotes we say hello world. Now if instead of print you say print ln, then you are going to get a new line after the print. So we will not see much difference here, but when we do multiple prints, at that time you will see those differences, what I meant. So let's say we want to take some input from the user and print that. So for that, if you have done C or C++, there you do hash, include, and some header files. In Java, we are going to import a package. So the package will be dot scanner. So these are all packages. We are importing Java, and then inside Java we have a util package, and then inside that we have a scanner package. Now how scanner works. So some of the things we are going to learn later, like what are objects, classes, but for now we can just learn this syntax, how to create an object. So we are going to create an object for scanner like this. So let's say this is the class and we give it a name for the object. So let's say I give the name of an object as input, and then I will say new scanner, and the input I want to take is from the system in, and that's our object. Now I want to take one input is username. So I will say system.out.print, enter your name, and then I say input dot next line. So next line is used when you want to take input as a string. So a name is always a string or maybe alphanumeric string, and I will save this in, let's say, a variable which is of string type, and then I will print it. System.out.println, your name is name. That's it. Let's run it. Run without debugging. If you look at your terminal, you will see this, enter your name. Now I'm going to enter my name. So you see there is no space. Let's end the program again, and I'm going to give a space here so that it looks nice. Run it again. Now it's better. So I will say Naveen, enter, and said your name is Naveen. Now when I said ln, now let's say if I use ln instead of just print and run it. See, now with ln, your prompt after the print is on the next line. But if you don't use ln, then your prompt after the print will be on the same line. So ln gives a new line after the print. Okay. Now let's say I want to take age of the user. So I will say system.print and enter your age. Now age is going to be numeric, so I am going to take an input variable age and say input. Now this time I'm not going to use next line. I'm going to use next int because age is a integer value, and then I will print. Okay. Your age is plus age. So in Java is a bit different compared to C++, where if you give age and try to concatenate with string, Java will automatically convert integer to string and concatenate the whole thing as a single string. So it understands that you want to convert integer into a string type. So this is all. Now let's run it. So first we will enter our name. Then it will say, so see, now I did not get a new line after my print. So both the strings came on the same line. So let's stop the program and give a new line. So after my name, I want a new line. So I will use print ln. Again, after printing age, I want a new line. So I'm going to use print ln. Now, okay, I'm going to run it. I'm going to use shortcut Control F5 to run. Okay, so I will enter a name, then I will enter age, and that's it. So that way you can use the scanner class to take inputs and keep on printing. You can do, let's say, double if you have any number which might be in decimal. So you will say next double. So I would like you to explore this class and see what other methods it has. And that's all I want to demonstrate in this lecture, where we learned how to print anything and how to take input from the user. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next lecture.